This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Facebook notifications not working on Android. If you're using Facebook app on your mobile and you are not getting any notifications from Facebook app, follow this easy and step-by-step guide to fix this error. The first solution is enable Facebook notifications. Go to your Android phone settings. Once you are in settings, tap on notifications. And here, tap on app notifications. Search for Facebook. And make sure to enable Facebook notifications here. Once done, go to your Facebook app, tap on this menu icon, scroll down, tap on settings, tap on settings. Here scroll down and tap on notifications. And also you have to enable all of these notifications one by one. And then check the issue. The second solution is restart your Android phone. Sometimes restarting your phone can fix this kind of issues. So give a simple restart and then check the issue. The third solution is go to your Android settings again. And now tap on apps. And here scroll down, tap on Facebook, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, and tap on clear data, tap on delete. Once done, open your Facebook app again and again sign into your account and then check the issue. The next solution is check for any update. Go to your Play Store and search for Facebook. If you see any update available, update the Facebook app and check the issue. If you're still not getting any notifications from your Facebook app, then uninstall your Facebook app and all you have to need just reinstall it from Play Store. That's how you will be able to fix this error. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.